am I hungry, and this place is a mess. Sure is hard work being lazy. I need a new life. Chickens? Farm? What's going on down there? Nothing to do but relax. All the food you can eat. That's it. I'll be a professional chicken.
Oh my gosh! What are you doing away from your nest? Never you worry. Moma'll get you back so you can lay some nice fresh eggs.
Lay eggs? Now what would I want to do that for?
So you can make your quota.
Quota?
Yes, and once you've made your quota, you get your reward. Now get to work!
Reward? Oh boy, that's for me. Now where can a fella lay his hands on some eggs around here?
So, stealing eggs, eh? Why, I'm gonna...
She's it. She's it. She's it.
She's it!
What's going on?
When a chicken has laid 1,000,000 eggs, she is taken away to the door, where she enters into joy and eternal leisure.
Joy? Eternal leisure?
Anyways, as I was saying...
Okay, break it up, break it up. Get back to work, you lazy bums. Hey, where are all your eggs? Why aren't you meeting your quota?
Because I'm too hungry to lay eggs.
Of course. Why didn't I think of that?
What's cooking, Chief? You got some hungry chickens down here.
Gravel and quartz. Good for a chicken's gizzard.
What's this handle for, Chief?
Pull it to get your meal.
She's it. She's it.
She's it.
I'm it! Oh, boy. Eternal glory. Leisure. Eh? Hey, you can't do that to... What are you laughing at?
We're on our way to Nevada, ain't we?
Nirvana? Does this look like Nirvana? What the...
This is it! I'm coming home, Ma!
Mimi's chicken dinners? They're taking off, Rudy. We got a jam. Come on. We're busting out of this joint.
Hey, I wanna try! Ow!
We gotta warn the others. There's our ticket back inside. Listen to her. You're all being used for free eggs, and when she's done with you, it's chicken dinner. And if you don't believe me, ask Rudy.
It's true, Ma! Yup! Say it ain't so! Why, of all the rotten, stinking...
He's lying! It's a trick!
It's time to put an end to the slavery and make a stand. They can take our eggs, but they'll never take our freedom. Get her, girls! Ready, aim, fire!
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Here's this week's profits, boss. How are the chickens doing today?
Woody!
Woody! For he's a jolly good chicken, for he's a jolly good chicken, for he's a jolly good chicken.